Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of TapLab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export your Snapchats in rectangular format. You can also do two types of circular format or square, so it's really up to you to decide which one you want. I'm just going to show you how to do that in this video, and then in the future I'll make a video where I show how to make it look more professional. When you export it, it's going to look a little fisheye or a little distorted, but there's ways to correct that and ways to make your footage look better, so I'll get into that in a future video. Another thing to note is that this should work with any Snapchat Spectacles. I have the original Snapchat Spectacles. This is version 1. Since then we have version 2, and then they recently launched 2 new designs. So this method will work with any spectacles. Just make sure that you have the most recent update. And I'm also assuming that you've paired your spectacles and you know how to import your footage and stuff like that. If you don't know how to do those things, check out some of the other videos on the channel in the Snapchat playlist. So what we need to do is swipe up from the bottom, and I'm already on my stories, but you might be on like the all section or something like that. Then just go to stories and it will list all of your stories in here along with your Snapchat stories. So here's the one that I did today, the test. You can just tap in this white bar and that will expand and collapse it. And then you'll see I have 7 snaps in here. So what we could do is tap these 3 dots in the top right corner, and then we could hit export story, and that's going to export all 7 snaps combined into one story. If you wanted to cut any of those out or anything, you'd have to do that manually within a different app. So you'll see you can do the circular with white background and black background. You can now do a square, or you can do a widescreen. So that's one option. I'm gonna hit cancel here. The other option is to go into a snap specifically, and then you'll also see 3 dots in the top right corner of this one. So I can hit those 3 dots, then it's gonna give me options for this individual snap. So I can hit export snap, and then I can also do the same thing with just this one Snapchat. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit widescreen just for this Snapchat. And then it's going to open up this menu and ask like what I want to do with it. Normally you probably just want to save it to your phone, so you can hit save video in the bottom of the screen. I'll go ahead and do that. It's going to give us this little sending bar, and there it's been saved. And then you can just swipe down on the screen to exit that, swipe down again. You're back at the camera screen. So you can do all of your snaps individually, or you can do them one at a time. It's really up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that rectangular video right here to give you guys a feel for what it looks like. And there you have it, how to export your Snapchats in any format. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Remember, I'm going to upload a video soon on how to make your snaps look more professional, so like those rectangular videos, some things you can do to those to make them look better. So be sure to subscribe for that, and hit that like button on this video if it helped you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.